A Croatian story for beginners. Mala Mačka, the little cat. Mala Mačka je sama, the little cat is alone. Jadna Mala Mačka je tužna, the little cat is sad. Mala Mačka je gladna, the little cat is hungry. Mala Mačka je žedna, the little cat is thirsty. Mala Mačka je nestašna, the little cat is naughty. Mala Mačka je sretna, the little cat is happy. Sada je Mala Mačka umorna, now the little cat is tired. We just practiced the nominative feminine case in Croatian endings A. Noun, Mačka, ending in A, adjectives A. This story helps adults learn Croatian. This story helps adults learn a little grammar, made easy. Dive in and learn more Croatian made easy. Like and subscribe.